Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be using the FLEXTEND AC-KIT for training the arm, shoulder, chest, back. And today we are going to be doing the palm down tricep extension exercise. Here I am at the 90-degree angle, push down into full extension and back up. The number of repetitions I like to perform is between 10 and 12. You can do as many as you like. Be careful when you come up into the 90-degree angle. If you come up further, if you have the anterior shoulder impingement, it may pinch on the top of the shoulder. But if you can do that without pain, this is actually a pretty good exercise to do, to let it relax and go forward, because then as you come down and extend the upper arm, then you're extending the lower arm, you're actually training your rear deltoid plus your tricep muscle. Because remember, the tricep, the long head of the tricep crosses that shoulder joint. So you can actually go upward more, and that way you're training the rear deltoid plus the long head of the triceps, which will make your rear deltoid larger, stronger, and help you get your posture a lot better, because usually it's a weakness in the posterior shoulder that causes the forward slouching and the weakness in the front. So thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you like the exercise and have a great day.